Hi everybody, I'm over here at a Baltimore Mainstay. They call this Chaps pit beef. Here with my brother Chuck. We just had a big bike ride this morning and run some errands. But let's take a look here at their menu items. I really love their sign up here. It says no sniveling on the top. And you can see what's going on with their menu items there. They've got a nice little set of sides here. Looks like they're well staffed back here. Loads of beef action going on back there and cooking. All right, so this is my second time here, but Chuck's first time, and we'll see what the sandwiches are like. You're hungry, right, Chuck? You're hungry, right, Chuck? Oh yeah. I am too. So let's. The last time I was here, I remember the sandwiches were very good. So we'll see what they're like.
A few minutes later.
Order up. Okay, let's go have a go. Look at all this. Now I understand they built this 6 months ago. So this is all new. Wow, look at how beautiful this is. You've got lots of seating. Chuck, let's find a good place. Maybe the end of this table here. What do you think?
Yeah, or up front.
Or up front and watch traffic, yeah. So really nice. Okay, we'll have a go. It looks like they've got Sweet Baby Ray's, House Barbecue, Gold Barbecue, Horseradish, regular condiments here, pickles, onions, and soda.
More moments later.
All right, so Chuck and I have just sat down with our sandwiches. Chuck's loaded his up with some onions, some pickles on the side, some hickory barbecue sauce. I've also got the same things on mine, along with some horseradish, and everything looks really good. So this is one thing that's disappointing to me. I asked for a mac and cheese, and this is their large, okay? I don't think there is a smaller container than this in the world, but they call that a large. But let's see what it's like.
That's a review.
Yeah.
So, let's see.
You can take 2/3 of it at least, Chuck.
No.
So what's the texture look like there? No, it's pasta. Take in more. Yeah, that's good. All right, Chuck.
Yeah.
I want to get your reaction.
It's good. Yeah. All right.
I'm going to have a pickle. So the pickles are just regular pickles that are sliced that way.
That's good. Oh yeah. Well,
all right, so I'm going to dive into the sandwich. So, as they said, this place has been open for 6 months. They just moved next door. So, I know I always make my sandwiches a little sloppy. It looks like this is actually a potato roll.
yeah. Oh, now it went off. My screen on the back went
Just
off.
touch it with your finger.
Oh yeah, come back.
So, one of the things I forgot to mention is they ask you how you want your steak cooked. So I said medium rare, and this is perfect. Very juicy, very tender. I'm having a good time. I'm so glad we came here today.